Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to draw an eye. It will not be a complicated process, I'm just going to give you the basic idea on how to draw an eye. I don't have much space on this page, so I'll draw it here. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. We are going to draw this one. If you want to learn how to draw other body parts like ears, lips, arm, legs, then you can comment below and I'll teach you how to make them. Also, if you can subscribe to the channel, it will help a lot. I have to reach my new goal of reaching 1000 subscribers, so please like, share and subscribe. Now we'll start drawing the eyebrow part. Keep in mind that all the lines will go in one direction, like this. help you, then please like this video because it helps a lot. Keep smiling.